Good evening, children. Today I would like to explain you very important topics from real numbers. In that, first point is Euclid division lemma. Once I am reading it, just you listen and observe it carefully. Given positive integers a and b, there exist whole numbers q and r. A is equal to bq plus r. Here a condition is there, that is r should be between 0 and b. Actually, this is our as usual method of division only. Here a is divided by b and q is quotient, r is remainder. A is equal to b into q plus r. This is our as usual division method. Division is process. If we take numbers, so here 9, 9 is divided with 2, so 2 4s are 8 and the remainder is 1. So 9 is equal to 2 into 4 plus 1. So this is our as usual division way only. You don't be fear about this Euclid division lemma. It's not a difficulty thing, it's an easy thing. Okay, now we are in second point, that is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So here I am reading again, just listen. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of its primes, and this factorization is unique. It's a very important thing. This is the matter. A part of its order, apart from its order, it means there is no need of order. So in this we have some doubts regarding some words in this paragraph, in this point. So prime number, actually prime number means it has no factors. We can say it as it should not be appear in any table. This is our as usual matter. It should not be appear in any table means it has no factors other than 1 and itself. The same way now composite numbers. Here composite numbers is nothing but other than prime numbers. Other than prime numbers means the numbers which are not prime numbers or can be called as composite numbers. Now I am taking a number 16. 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. The same way another number 15, 3 into 5. We can write it as 5 into 3 also. And the number 18, we can write it as 2 into 3 into 3, and the second process 3 into 2 into 3, another way 3 into 3 into 2. So here you have to observe a point, that is in these 3, 2 into 3 into 3, 3 into 2 into 3, and 3 into 3 into 2, in all the things there are unique factors are there. Those are 3 2 2, 3 3 2. Here the process, the order is no need, order is different, but the factors are unique. In the same way here 15 also, 3 into 5 and 5 into 3. Here factors are unique, but the order is different. Order is no need, factors are unique. That is the thing we have to understand in the second point. Now we are in third point. If p is a prime number and p divides a square, when a is a positive integer, then p divides a. Here it's a simple point. Just if a square is divided by p, if it is possible, a also should be divided by p. So it is also possible. Suppose we are taking numbers. Suppose 25 by 5 is possible. 5 by 5 also should be possible. Why? Here 25 is 5 into 5, means 5 square by 5. Same in the same way here 9 by 3 is possible, then 3 by 3 also possible. Another example, 16 by 2 is possible, then 4 by 2 also possible. Here 16 means 4 square, 9 means 3 square, 25 means 5 square. So this is the thing. If any number p is a prime number, p divides a square, then a is a positive integer, then p also divides a. And then fourth point, x is a rational number when decimal expansion terminates. Then we can express in the form of p by q, where p and q are co-primes, and the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 power n and 5 power n. Once again I am reading clear, listen carefully. Let x be a rational number whose decimal expression terminates. Then we can express in the form of p by q, where p and q are co-primes, and the prime factorization of q is of from form of 2 power n into 5 power m, where n and m are negative integers. Here the important point need to be keep in your mind is termination. What is termination? Termination means maybe stop. Here if we perform a division 10 by 5, we get the answer 2. Here printed mistake. And here if we perform a division with 136 by 2, we get the answer 68. In the same way 1 2 3 4 5 means 12,345 divided by 5, we get the answer 2,469. So here also 9 by 2, we are making 9 as off, that is 4.5. In all the sections, in all the components, on all the components, so the division is terminated, means stopped, it is not going on. Suppose if we observe in the below non-terminate in this 10 by 3, here if we do perform division 10 by 3, we get the answer 3.333. If we 20 by 6, 0.33333. It will not stop, I think. Same way here another decimal form 43.12345 up to so on. Same 100 by 81 also we will get the same answer, means it won't terminate. These can be called as non-terminate decimals. It's time to end of part 1 of real numbers important points. Thank you very much for watching this lesson. We will meet you on part 2 of the same chapter. Thank you.